Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see delete first node in a linked list. So we need to perform delete operation on a linked list, and what we need to do is we need to delete the head node of a linked list. Okay, so let us see how we are going to perform this operation on a linked list. So for example, we have taken this input linked list where the nodes are given as 10, 20, 30 and 40. Now what we need to do is we need to remove this first node, or we can say the head node of this linked list, so that we will only have the output as 20, 30 and 40. Okay, now let us see how we are going to do it. So let us consider a case where I directly remove my head node. Okay, so what you can think of is you can directly delete the head node. You can consider it this way, you can directly delete it, but in that case you will not have the next head, which node you will make as the next head, right? So before deleting the head node, you have to also take care that you have to make the next node of the head node as the head node, right? So you have to make this node as the head, so that you can return head node of your linked list, because you know that whenever you are performing any operation on a linked list, or whenever you are writing any function for a linked list, you don't have to return the entire linked list, you just have to return the head node. Okay, so it is must that you have a head node for your linked list. So we will not directly delete it, but instead what we will do it, before deleting the head node, we will simply point the next node of the head node as the head, and then we will delete the previous our head node. Okay, and then we will return our final head. So let us see the function for this thing. So initially what we have done is we have taken a function delete first, and the parameter passed is node head. Okay, so there is one more case that we need to cover. So if at any point of time our head is given as null, we are not given any linked list, our head value is given as null, then in that case we don't have anything to delete. So that is why we are returning null in that case. So here we have returned null. So, and the other case is whenever we are given a linked list and we have to return the head node of it. So what we are going to do is, first of all, we are going to create a temp variable. So let us take an example. So for example, we have this linked list 10, 20 and 30. Okay, we have this linked list 10, 20, 30, and this is our head node. So what we will do is we will take a temp pointer and we will point it to here, which is heads next. So that is why I point here. Why? Because I have to return it at the last. So that is why I point here, and then what we will do is we will simply delete our head, and then what we will do is we will return our temp, which is our new head. So in this way we will perform deletion operation at the starting or at the first of a linked list. So if you have any doubts regarding this, please feel free to comment. Thanks for watching.